Here's the second weird money rule I swear by. Take it personally when someone tries to take your money. I'm not kidding. Every single morning, I open my email and it's just pure chaos. Brands are literally begging me to buy things I did want yesterday and definitely want tomorrow. There are flash sales, last chance deals that magically reappear every single week. It's a constant barrage. But instead of feeling tempted, I just get annoyed. Because let's be real about what's happening. Someone, somewhere, is actively trying to separate you from the money you worked hard for. They're trying to convince you that your life will be better with their product. And once you see it like that, it's hard to unsee. So, what do? I delete everything. No clicking, no browsing, no just looking. Just delete. It's a reflex now. It's the same thing when I'm at a checkout counter and they try to upsell me. Would you like the extra warranty? How about this special add-on feature? For just a little more, you can get the premium version. My answer is always a firm no, thank you. That's not good customer service. It's a financial ambush. They're banking on you feeling awkward or pressured into saying yes. But when you start taking these attempts personally, as an attack on your wallet, it becomes so much easier to say no. Spending money you didn't plan to spend becomes much harder to justify. Now, for the third weird rule, and this one truly changed everything for me. Fixate with purpose. Let's be honest, saving money for the future is incredibly boring. It's vague. It's uninspiring. Just watching numbers go up on a screen doesn't motivate anyone to skip that daily coffee or say no to a night out. But saving for something specific, something you're genuinely excited about, that is a game changer. Because now you're not just not spending, you are actively, consciously moving closer to something you really want. It reframes the entire process. At different points in my life, that something has been all sorts of things. A few years ago, it was a new piece of camera gear I was obsessed with. Then, it was saving up to adopt my dog. A while after that, it was the down payment for my house. Right now, my fixation is on fixing a part of my home that drives me crazy every single day. And the moment I locked onto that specific goal, a switch flipped in my brain. Random, mindless spending just stopped feeling fun. The thought of eating out lost its appeal. Impulse purchases on Amazon suddenly felt completely pointless. Every potential purchase gets filtered through a new question. Is this better than my goal? And honestly, the answer is almost always a resounding no. When you give your money a specific job to do, it starts to behave itself. You stop leaking cash on all the little nonsense because your brain is laser focused on something bigger and better. Fixation transforms saving from a punishment into a feeling of progress. You're not depriving yourself. You're building towards something that matters. So those are rules 2 and 3. Take it personally and fixate with purpose. They might sound a little intense, but they work. In the next video, I'll explain why boredom is secretly draining your bank. Accountant, the one surprisingly simple habit that can stop it in its tracks. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.